Meet the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, a smartphone with a groundbreaking foldable glass display. Get a big screen experience in the palm of your hand with the seamless 6.7-inch foldable display made of ultra-thin glass that flips closed for pocket portability. Stay in the spotlight with hands-free selfies, shoot 4K HD video, and more with a hideaway hinge that positions the phone at virtually any angle, and control apps on one side of the screen while you view on the other. Stay in the know with discrete notifications on the external display when your phone is closed, and transition to full screen with a flip with app continuity. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Its compact size and signature look is designed for pocket portability. Stay in the know with discrete notifications and quick access to your camera on the cover display, and go from notifications to full-screen apps in a flip. With Flex Mode, you can control apps with one half of the screen while you view them on the other, and use multiple apps on one display with multi-active window. You can live stream on one side and follow the latest trends with the innovative split-screen experience. Bend your imagination with the seamless hideaway hinge that lets you capture hands-free photos, high-definition 4K videos, and stream hands-free. Simply set your Galaxy Z Flip on a surface to take pictures and shoot videos from bold new angles. With the hands-free folding capability, you can play with angles and find the one that suits you best. Plus, you can bring more of your world into view with the ultra-wide lens, and watch the night come to life with night hyperlapse that intuitively adapts to what you're recording. For true originals, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip offers a breakthrough compact design and revolutionary ultra-thin folding glass display with app continuity and incredible multitasking capabilities.